Here we will learn a few little tricks and tips that will reduce walking time back up to the kite and increase the flying time, starting with the aerial wing wrap. That does happen while attempting complicated tricks. The best thing to do is to do nothing. Keep hands at neutral. If you want to help spin the kite to make your mistake appear as a trick, pull on the wing that is not wrapped. When you want to unwrap, simply tug on the wrap wing as it is spinning. Ground wing wrap. Position the wing that is wrapped towards you, maintain pressure on the other wing, and tug the wrapped wing line until it comes off. Use a small tug up and out or down and out. The cartwheel is one of the most important recoveries. Remember to always cartwheel towards the center of the window. Start with positioning the kite on its nose, angled slightly back away from you and pointing to the inside. Tug with outside hand to begin the rotation, followed by a pull with the inside hand to complete it. The belly launch. You probably already know this one, but for review, it is important to keep an eye on the spine, that it is pointing straight up and down. Your initial tug lifts the kite from the belly position, and then push forward movement allows the kite to flip into the fade position and catch it there. From there, it is all about balance and correct body movement. Like with all tricks, the less movement, the better. The side pop-up launch works best with standard bridled kites with longer keels like the Desire Ultralight here. The trick is to slightly point the nose to the inside by slightly pulling the outside hand as shown here, and use an up and out with the inside hand move to pop it up into the launch. The nose pop-up is one of the most useful recovery tools you can learn. Like the belly launch, you want to pay attention to the spine of the kite and that it is pointed straight up and down. Give a little slack to both lines, allowing the kite to tilt back just a little bit. Give a short pull that puts the kite into a pancake, and then a larger tug to put it into the fade position. The reverse turtle or backflip takeoff is done by first positioning the kite on the edge of the window, but not too far to the edge. Point the nose slightly to the outside by extending the inside hand and pull with the inside hand to start the rotation, followed by pulling with both hands before the nose falls too far forward. You can also use an up and out movement